So hey, it's Gabriel here, and today I'm just doing a social experiment. You know, we do certain things that we don't even think about, and today I'm just going to find out from people if they really know the reason behind certain things we do, and they are just going to give me their thoughts. So you are?
My name is Tamsir.
Tamsin.
Tamsir.
Tamsir. Yeah. Well, I'm Gabriel. Well, so the question is, why do you think when people sneeze, they do this and not any other thing apart from that?
Personally, I believe it's more convenient.
Yeah.
You know, because if you have to turn your arm around, it's going to be a little bit hard.
Okay.
And I don't know. I'm not sure it's going to be that effective. I mean, is it even worth it? Like, what would be the reason behind doing it like that?
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah.
But it's just more convenient.
Yeah. All right, but you should also think that it's part of your body. Why do you sneeze something that your body doesn't want on your skin then? Right, I got you, bro. I understand. I got you. You know, sometimes we just do things because we feel like that's convenient. Yeah. But at the end of the day, it's very good for our health, because when you sneeze there, I mean, you keep it there and then you don't spread it. And when you go home, when you bath, you clear everything. Okay. And fortunately, our skin also regenerates, and then it cleans away any germ that's found on our skin. So I hope you've gotten it next time.
Yes, sir.
So next time you are sneezing, just go ahead and do it the right way. And
Which
the right
way?
way is
okay.
It's not dabbing then. It's just sneezing.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right. Nice to meet you. Thank you. All right. Voici Gabriel et vous?
C'est Alun.
Quoi?
Alun.
Alun. Ok, enchanté Alun. En fait, j'ai une question à vous demander. C'est quoi? La question, c'est que des fois on fait des choses alors que nous on ne savait pas que c'est la bonne chose d'en faire. Comment dans le côté médical. Donc normalement si on s'entraîne, c'est ça non? Voilà. Normalement on fait comme ça. Pourquoi pas on fait pas d'autres choses que ça?
Je pense que c'est mieux de faire comme ça puisque c'est plus hygiénique.
Voilà.
Parce que si vous utilisez la main, une fois que vous avez fini de tenir, il y a des microbes qui se répandent.
Voilà.
Vous pouvez toucher des trucs avec ça sans faire exprès. Mais ici c'est pas trop utilisable.
Voilà.
Ça peut aider.
Voilà. Merci beaucoup et enchanté. Je pense que vous avez vraiment raison. Et merci beaucoup, enchanté. Hey. So I'm Gabriel. What about you?
I'm Tim.
Timo. Nice to meet you, Tim.
Nice to meet you.
Well, so I'm doing a social experiment. So I'm just asking, why do you think when we sneeze, we need to do this and not any other thing?
I think maybe in Spain, when we are the pandemic time and with COVID, the government tell you must do
just do like this.
Yes.
So before then, what do you do when you sneeze?
This.
Oh, which isn't bad, which isn't good, right? Yeah.
But the problem is this, and you
touch other things.
This is the problem.
Yeah, you can touch your eyes and anything, and you can spread germs.
Yes.
Well, I think the best way to do is just sneeze this way, and so continue doing it. It's not because of COVID, but the best way to do it, health-wise, is just this way.
I'm sanitary, I think. For don't touch.
Yeah. Okay. You do this without touching things. Yeah. Is that what you do?
I do this, I think.
Without touching things. You wash them. Yeah. Good. Then that's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. All right. Thank you very much, Tim. And it's nice to meet you. All right.
Same.
All right. Hey, so it's Gabriel here. What's your name?
My name is Adnan.
Adnan. Yeah. Well, I have a lot of friends called Adnan. Well, tell me. Yeah. So tell me. Yeah. Why do you think when we sneeze, we do this way and not any other thing?
Like
yeah, it's best to do this way.
I think it's because like the thing that
come out of us,
of our mouth, it's like spread.
Yeah.
And if we do it like this, we go all dirty in the hands,
in the hands
and stuff. Yeah. So it's preferable.
Best.
Yeah. We prefer like to do this because it's just in this area and your hands don't get dirty. That's what I think.
That's what you think.
There's a scientific reason I think for it.
And it's
so there's not spread.
Exactly.
The viruses or something like that.
So when it gets into your hand, you not touch anything and mistakenly put it back in you. Okay, exactly. Then that's it. That's totally correct. And so continue sneezing this way and not this way. Okay?
Yeah.
All right. Nice to meet you, Adnan.
Yeah.
And have a very wonderful day.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Today, Bright Fits, I know, wants to ask me some few questions. About whatever he does. So looking at the fact that I am the right person to answer his questions, I guess.
Student doctor.
So he decided to ask me these questions, and I hope I will answer his questions to his understanding and also to be able to convince him enough to accept that my answers are correct, so that you guys might learn something out of it at the end of the day.
Okay, so my first question is it advisable to exercise while sick?
Well, definitely. You know, you would have to, you know, exercise. We normally say you have to exercise to your limit. And so if your exercise will not affect your state of health, I mean your state of well-being, why not? You can definitely exercise, but it depends on how sick you are. Looking at the fact that maybe if someone is really sick and he just came to the hospital and maybe he was just operated on, we would give you some number of days. I mean, you've heard such a thing before where we say this number of days, don't do anything, after which you can do something. So these are some of the reasons why. So it's not advisable for you to exercise immediately you get out of the hospital, or if you are very, very sick. But if you think the exercise you are going to do is going to be manageable by your state of well-being, definitely you can just go ahead and exercise.
Okay, I think it's cool. Yeah. And the second question is it good to take supplements? Because me, I'm actually against taking supplements. People say it's good, but me, I'm not really a fan of taking supplements.
Well, let me surprise you. When you say supplement in medicine, okay, supplements does not have to do with the fact that the things that you have to eat in order to grow very well. I mean, your muscles. Now, supplement has to do with vitamins. You'll be surprised. Supplement has to do with, vitamins and then the necessary nutrients for you to grow very well and healthy, not to grow big. Now, it depends on what your supplement means. What do you mean by supplement then?
Okay, so let me be precise. I want to talk about protein powders, those creatines, amino acids, those powder stuff.
Great. You'll be surprised that all these things you mentioned are actually proteins. And then let me just also burst your bubble that, you know, our body actually gets rid of creatinine, okay, through our urine. So if you are taking this thing in and your muscle is breaking this thing down as well, that means definitely these things are just coming out through your kidney. And trust me, your kidney has to filter all these things in large quantities. And so you are putting more effort on your kidney than usual. And so trust me, it's not really good for your health. You just have to work the healthy way and not to actually depend on supplements.
Okay, that's good. I think this thing actually answers a lot of people, because a lot of people have like questions, because me especially, some people actually ask me, should I take supplements? Me, I say no, because I don't have any reason, but I'm not actually a fan of it. You understand? Good. That's good.
So just a disclaimer, those who say supplement, please, I'm not against you, but I'm just trying to tell you guys what's really necessary.
Okay, so my last question is, apart from doing my
last question? I thought you had a lot.
Okay, so the last question is, apart from doing my workouts, what else can I do to take care of my health?
Well, that's a very important question. Well, you know, when you talk about health is not generally about your well-being. Well, it has to do about your mental, your physical being. You get it? So if these things are involved, then I think you shouldn't just look at your physical well-being, but also your mental well-being. So now, you agree with me that your mental well-being is not gotten in the gym. Well, in a way, you can get it in the gym. Now, let's talk about your social well-being as well. You can get all this in the gym, but majority of them is not gotten in the gym. What is gotten in the gym, like in large quantity, you would agree with me, is your physique. So that means you can't only, rely on that for your health. You get it? You have to do other things. You have to think about your mental well-being. And that's a lot of problem for a lot of people. Because, you know, having mental issue is something we just look away. We don't care about it. But it's very dangerous. And once again, we are in the month of suicide. Okay, September is the month of suicide. A lot of people commit suicide. Well, I believe that suicide is something we need to diagnose because it's a disease. No one is willing to die, but they just die through mental issues. And so that's why it's not advisable to only look out for your physical health, but also your mental well-being, your social well-being, and again, your physical well-being. So I think that's enough. And if there's something you guys want to add, you can definitely add it in the comment section. And you could hear my cameraman saying social well-being. I don't know where he learned that from, but I think he was right.
I think, you know, the most important questions about fitness has been answered, because I get these questions a lot, because I myself am a personal trainer.
I can see.
A lot of people.
You should train me.
So a lot of people ask me those type of questions, and I hope this video helped you guys. And if it helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share with all your friends, okay?
Yeah, share with all your friends because these are important questions that people
Voila.
ask. Is that all?
Yeah,
you
that's
might
all.
not get
for
it
now.
another time. So yeah, you should think
Where
about
are you
it.
going? Are you going? Are you traveling?
You might never know. You might never know. Well, with that said, please do well to subscribe, like this video, and then also check his channel out. Check my channel out. I mean, it's just a word. Yeah. You should give me bright fish t-shirt. Anyways,
okay, no problem.
See you guys in the next
See you.
Bye.